Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of truck accessories to unveil the ultimate solution for cargo protection, the best tonneau cover. Discover the top picks that combine style, functionality, and durability. Let's upgrade your truck experience. Number 1. OED Tano cover, the ultimate blend of sleek design and rugged durability. This beast not only turns heads, but also delivers top-notch protection for your cargo. The low-profile, aerodynamic build not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also improves fuel efficiency. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly design. Crafted with precision, this tonneau cover boasts weather-tight seals, ensuring your gear stays dry in any conditions. Upgrade your truck's game and make a statement on the road. OED Tano cover, because your ride deserves the best. Number 2. Gator Tonneau cover, a game changer for truck enthusiasts. This sleek, robust cover not only enhances your truck's aesthetics, but also delivers unbeatable protection. Its durable, weather-resistant design ensures your cargo stays safe and dry in any conditions. Installing the Gator Tonneau cover is a breeze, and its user-friendly features make accessing your truck bed a seamless experience. The low-profile design adds a touch of sophistication, while the secure locking mechanism provides peace of mind. Upgrade your truck with the Gator Tonneau cover, where style meets substance for the ultimate on-the-road experience. Number 3. OED Tano cover, the ultimate game changer for your truck. This sleek, aerodynamic marvel not only transforms your ride into a head-turning masterpiece, but also shields your cargo with military-grade protection. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the OED Tano cover seamlessly blends innovation and design, elevating your truck's aesthetics while safeguarding your gear from the elements. Easy installation, a tight fit, and weatherproof durability make this cover a must-have for any truck enthusiast. Upgrade your ride with OED, where form meets function flawlessly. Number 4. Maxmat's tonneau cover for trucks is a game changer. Sleek, durable, and a breeze to install, it effortlessly elevates your truck's style while providing top-notch protection for your cargo. The heavy-duty material ensures weather resistance, keeping your gear safe in any conditions. What sets Maxmat apart is its user-friendly design, easy access to your truck bed without compromising security. The low-profile look adds a touch of sophistication. Upgrade your truck with Maxmat's tonneau cover. It's not just an accessory, it's a statement of style and practicality. Unleash the full potential of your truck bed with this must-have addition. Number 5. Unimotor Tonneau cover. This sleek and durable accessory isn't just a showstopper, it's a game changer for your truck bed. Crafted with precision, the Unimotor cover seamlessly blends form and function, keeping your cargo secure while turning heads on the road. The easy-to-install design and robust materials make it a must-have for truck enthusiasts. Say goodbye to mundane truck beds and hello to the Unimotor Tonneau cover, where functionality meets flair. Upgrade your ride and make a statement with this top-tier accessory. In conclusion, finding the best tonneau cover is crucial for protecting your truck bed and enhancing its functionality. Whether it's for security, weather resistance, or style, we've explored top options. Make an informed choice based on your needs. Thanks for watching. May your truck bed always stay covered and your journeys hassle-free.